What is up, guys? I just wanted to talk you through this quick little video of just how I did in the Outer Banks. I'm mainly focusing on inshore. I've done surf fishing before, and that's a whole different ballgame. But as far as inshore, I don't have much experience. Caught speckled trout from the surf, but never inshore. Never caught a flounder. My biggest redfish is like this big. So that's about as far as my inshore fishing goes. But so this past year, I joined Salt Strong, because I only get to fish saltwater probably a week or so a year, and I really wanted to maximize that week because I don't even get to fish every day that week. You know, it's like 3 or 4 times in a week. Joined Salt Strong, learned a ton, and I mean a ton. And I didn't film every day I went out, but I did film a couple of days, and I definitely need to add some kind of camera charging system because I don't want to be swapping out batteries, but I just need to have some kind of plug that I can plug my GoPro into so I can do a better job filming on the water. But I did get 3 catches on film. I'll let you guys see that. Good, how you doing?
Hey, is that yours? You rent it or buy it?
Yeah, I bought it.
What does something like that run?
Right under 4. What is it? Oh, nice. Just had to show me up, didn't you, man? Underslot.
Took a minute and a half.
Hey. out. I don't know, that thing's fighting hard. There he is. Oh yeah, that's a nice one, dude. Real nice. Oh yeah, he's definitely a keeper. Definitely keeper trout. And just so you know what size it is for you.
See how big a one I caught?
Dang, that thing is a chunk, dude.
0 right there on that.
He's probably over 17. Just under 16, but hey, all he needs to be 14. Got them fillets.
15 and a half.
Got them fillets. That's about the size of the one I caught yesterday. He's a fat sucker though. Fish right here along this bank in the inlet right here. That's what we've been catching. Redfish. First redfish I've caught in here. Dang. I cast it right up against the bank. So they must be cool. He's bigger than the last one, but he's not a slot. Yeah, he's drumming. Oh, I can feel it in the stomach. Okay. Sweet.
Let's go.
trout. Right here.
I think the whole week on like 4 or 5 trips, I caught 2 redfish. They were under slot, so they weren't very big. And I caught, I think, somewhere between 10 and 12 speckled trout. Each fishing trip was like 2 to 3 hours. So for somebody who has no experience really with saltwater fishing and all that, I think that's pretty good, especially last year when we fished about the same amount and didn't catch anything. My brother-in-law caught 1 redfish and 1 flounder or something like that, you know, that was decent size, and I didn't catch any. I mean, I caught the little redfish and that was it. So this year I think Salt Strong really helped, honestly. As somebody who doesn't really get out on the water and inshore a lot, I think I had a successful week. Anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.